Coach
Ayan.
Mayen.
Thank you so much, Lori. Can you hear me na?
Yes po,
Okay,
perfect po.
great. Maraming salamat, no? At mag-ano lang ako, share lang ako ng screen ko sandali and to introduce myself. Everyone, my name is Mayat Mariano. I'm a 59-year-old mom here in Laguna, in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and also a part-time coach. Yan. So, when I started with Herbalife Nutrition, Um, I came from a background na I was in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. I was based there, and ang naging experience ko doon was because of the demands and the stress of my work. I was a corporate trainer in a hospitality firm. Na-neglect ko yung ano ko, yung health ko. How did I do that? Dahil ano, una, I started a family there with my husband, so nagkatatlong anak ako, so that there were several pregnancies that happened na ang excuse ko noon sa pagkain was I can eat anything because I was pregnant. Tapos being in a hospitality company, nagkaroon ako ng privilege or access to free food and drink. So, inaabuso ko din yun. And of course, hindi na ako family na taking care of 3 children, yung stress at demand sa work ko. Ang ginagawa ko na lang after work, I would sit down in front of the TV with my kids and eat anything. Yan. So, in other words, talagang na-neglect ko talaga yung health and nag-gain ako ng 20 kilos above my normal weight. Yon. So, I didn't really love, so who would love that kind of lifestyle, di ba? Na palaki ka ng palaki up to the point na yung pag tumitingin ako sa baba, hindi ko na makita yung pa ako kasi naka-block yung chan ko. Tapos, pagod na pagod ako pagka, kunyari, maglalakad kami ng mga anak ko sa mall, hinihingal ako kaagad. And so, alam mo na mali na yon, pero hindi ka makagawa ng any means kasi wala naman akong ibang naririnig, wala akong exposure sa mga ganitong klaseng mga wellness online community na pag nakikinig ako, nare-remind ako na, oh nga no, I should take care of myself, di ba? So buti na lang when I came back home here for good in the Philippines, that was nearly 11 years ago, doon ako na-introduce dun sa healthy breakfast program natin of course, sa loob ng Nutrition Club. And because of that, nag-change yung mindset ko, nag-change yung perspective ko about how to eat food, when to eat it, what's the correct food to eat. And of course, being in the program, hindi mawawala sa amin na yung shake, yung concentrate, which comes in several different flavors na ngayon. Naging essential sa amin yung vitamins and minerals, fiber and herb, at saka yung Herb Lifetime. Yan. So I'm so glad that I am here with Herbalife Nutrition. And this community has really given me so a lot. Okay? And by giving back like this, like kung ano yung nalalaman ko, I know that I can contribute, okay, to what Herbalife has given me and my family. So let's start with our topic today. So ito, ang tinatawag nating prevention. Okay? And how it can impact healthcare costs. So when we say healthcare, ito yung anything na ginagamit natin sa pagpapagamot natin kung tayo nagkakasakit. 'Di ba? Kadalasan naman pag nagkakasakit, napapansin naman sa pamilya, ang taas ng gastusin lalo na pag nauospital, 'di ba? So dito ang topic na to pag-aaralan natin and how paano naging impact yung Herbalife Nutrition, okay, as a company dito sa pag-decrease ng healthcare costs. So let's start with bakit tayo magfo-focus sa prevention. I'm just going to give you several statistics here, no, nakalagay diyan sa screen natin that 90% of health costs in the Philippines are due to lifestyle-related diseases. And 1.44 trillion are spent on healthcare even way back in 2023. At 45% po ng mga medical bills are paid out of pocket. Ibig sabihin, yung mga walang healthcare, 'Di ba meron tayo sa may mga health insurance, pumupunta ka sa hospital, the company that you use pays for your hospital bills. Pero yung mga gamot, 'di ba, yung mga iba pa pang mga pamasahe mo, 'di ba, yung pagkain mo, yung minsan yung bayad pa sa mga caregivers, nagbabantay sa'yo, lahat yun it's out of your own personal ano, um, uh, expenses. So nakalagay dito na to prevent disease, actually makaka-save ka ng money at napoprotektahan mo pa yung pamilya mo. Kasi siyempre 'di ba 'pag nagkakasakit tayo, hindi lang naman ikaw yung involved nun. Siyempre pati yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, lalo na yung mga kasama natin sa bahay, naapektuhan din sila. Okay. Magbigay tayo ng isang example. Ito, totoong programa 'to na nangyari, sa Iloilo specifically. Yung Healthy Hearts program na out nila mga rural health units. Ito yung naging resulta. So kinuha lang nila yung hypertension, 'no, nakita nila 'pag controlled yung sakit ng hypertension, ang nagagastos lang dun sa particular area na yun, 'no, was ₱293 a year. Compared 'pag hindi nila kinol yung hypertension, ang nagagastos ng ano, ng rural health unit na yun is 1,935. Tapos yung centralized medicine procurement, yung ibig sabihin yung mga paraan na papagamot ng hypertension, even pagpo-provide ng mga gamot dun sa mga rural health areas na yon, na-cut down siya by 68%. So, diyan sa particular example na yan, dun napapakita na kung may prevention at mag-create ka ng awareness, talagang bababa yung mga healthcare costs. Okay? So, yung nutrition is key to prevention. Madalas naririnig yun na palagi dito sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. Bakit? Kasi yung nutrition forms the foundation of preventive healthcare. Yet, 1 in 3 Filipino families cannot afford healthy food, okay, due to economic reasons. So we're also seeing both yung undernutrition and even obesity increase. So while clinics rarely offer nutrition counseling, even though it would reduce long-term healthcare costs. So yun yung unfortunately, that's the sad state of our rural health units, no? Hindi because of economic status, hindi nakaka-afford ng healthy food. Tapos yung area din nila cannot provide yung awareness and education kung bakit napaka-importante ng nutrition. And yet, in another survey conducted by Herbalife Nutrition, 3 in 4 Filipinos say a healthier diet is important to support mental and physical health. So sinabi dito na in spite of that other statistic, no, naniniwala pa rin karamihan ng mga Pilipino na ang tamang nutrisyon ay nakakasupport sa kalusugan nating mga tao. Okay. So, ano ngayon yung role ng Herbalife Nutrition? Napapansin niyo yung Healthier Together campaign natin. Yeah, it spans across the country. Meron tayong mga workshops, meron tayong mga expert coaching, not only from doctors, but also from our trained Herbalife nutrition coaches. At nag-o-offer tayo ng mga community events. Not only from the company itself, but even yung independent distributors and coaches are trained to make sure that yung mga workshops, yung mga community events are organized, okay, para maka-reach out dun sa mga barangay natin. Alam nyo rin ba na yung Herbalife Family Foundation o yung HFF has allocated 8.7 million in grants to provide meals and nutritional education to children. And it's done through the Casa Herbalife, yung ating HFF, and Tuloy Foundation. So, ganun ka-involved yung Herbalife Nutrition, provide awareness, okay, on good nutrition and healthy active lifestyle. Alam niyo ba yung prevention, it also creates empowerment to each Filipino. It's not just a strategy ng isang kumpanya, no? It's actually empowerment kasi by promoting preventive care, Herbalife supports families and communities rather than treating them reactively. Ibig sabihin, instead of ang ginagawa natin is, yan, pagka may magkaroon ng mga certain flu, di ba? O mga virus, anong ginagawa natin? Ang ginagawa natin is reaction lang. Pero pagka nag-create tayo ng awareness, katulad yung mga different topics natin almost every day. Di ba? You just need to be consistently listening dun sa mga ina-explain ng mga coaches. Alam nyo, kahit nga yung healthy breakfast na topic, paulit-ulit mo yun na napakinggan, ang dami mong makukuha para matutunan mong alagaan yung sarili mo. That's the empowerment na binibigay ng Herbalife Nutrition through this virtual nutrition club program. Yan. So, nagiging aware tayo, di ba? At dahil sa awareness na yon, hindi tayo nagre-react lang pag may malat na sakit. Alam natin, we are proactively making sure that we are going to be healthier, and even yung mga pamilya natin, di ba? Lalo na yung mga anak natin, mga mahal natin sa buhay. Every nutritious meal and piece of advice na naririnig natin contributes a healthier and stronger family. Kaya dito kami sa Virtual Nutrition Club from Herbalife Nutrition Philippines. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyo sa ongoing support nyo sa pakikinig, sa pag-i-invite dito po sa halos araw-araw from Tuesdays to Sunday. Tuesdays to Sundays. At kami pong mga virtual nutrition coaches nyo, we are just so blessed that we also have this opportunity and this channel to share and to give back kay what Herbalife Nutrition has blessed us with. So marami pong salamat, and I hope nakatulong po ito para po makatagdag sa awareness nyo. Thank you so much, Coach Lori.